Dear students, chapter body fluids and circulation. We are dealing the structure and the functions of the heart. Structure and functions of the human heart. And this time we are dealing with the heartbeat. In the last lecture, we have discussed at least the cardiac cycle. And this time we are dealing with the heartbeat. The spontaneous and rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart to pump out and receive blood to and from the body is called heartbeat. This heartbeat comprises contraction and relaxation. Contraction decreases the volume of the auricles and ventricles. Relaxation increases the volume of the auricles and ventricles. Due to the contraction, the blood is forced out of any chamber. Due to the relaxation, the blood is put into the chamber. The heartbeat is of two types. First of all, neurogenic heart. The second is myogenic. As we have the two types of hearts in animals, neurogenic heart and myogenic heart. And similarly, we have the neurogenic beat and myogenic beat. In the neurogenic beat, it is initiated by a neuroimpulse emanating from a neuroganglion situated near the heart. It is shown by hearts of most arthropods and annelids. This heart is present in the arthropods and annelids, where there is neurogenic nature of physiology. This type of beat is initiated by a neuroimpulse emanating from a neuroganglion situated near the heart. This means in the heart of arthropods and annelids, the heartbeat originates very near to the heart, where there is neurological center or the center of the brain. In the myogenic beat, it is initiated by a patch of modified heart muscle itself without requiring an external stimulation. It is exhibited by the hearts of molluscs and invertebrates. Among the invertebrates, we have the mollusca. Mollusca comprise very higher developed group of the annelids and developed group of the invertebrates. And in the vertebrates, molluscas are the highly developed groups of invertebrates. And vertebrates, we have to the myogenic heart. A heart removed from frog's body continues to beat for a long time if immersed in a well-oxygenated ringer solution that supplies essential elements and nutrients. This is due to the reason that the heartbeat in this myogenic heart is initiated by a patch of modified heart muscles itself without requiring an external stimulation. This is the myogenic heart which we find in higher animals. In the human beings, there is also the myogenic heart. The mechanism of the heart beats results from a wave of electrical depolarization, action potential. This is whenever we see the neuroimpulse conduction, the same neuroimpulse conduction mechanism is found in the heartbeats, which results from a wave of electrical depolarization action potential called cardiac impulse. That is called as cardiac impulse. In general, neurological impulse, we call it as neuroimpulse, and in this cardiac cycle, we call it as cardiac impulse that originates in and is conducted along the tracts of specialized cardiac muscles, muscle fibers termed as Purkinje fibers. There are Purkinje fibers in the heart through which this cardiac impulse is generated. These tracts are collectively referred to as the nodal tissue or Purkinje system. There is Purkinje system in our heart that generates this neuroimpulse, what we call as the cardiac impulse. This is all about the heartbeats and its types, neurogenic and myogenic. That's all for today.